Hi everyone! Today we're crocheting a stylish coaster to protect your tables or gift someone special. Perfect for all skill levels. So let's get started. Please subscribe and like this video for more fun tutorials. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring. Inside that ring, make 12 single crochets, that's our X stitch, and finish with a chain stitch. Take your time with the magic ring. It's the foundation of our coaster. You've got this. Tip: pull the tail gently to tighten the ring as you go. It'll look so neat. Next, for round 2, we're increasing. Work 2 single crochets into each stitch around. That's 12 sets of 2 single crochets, and end with a chain stitch. You're doubling the stitches now, and it's starting to take shape. Great job. Tip: keep your tension even so your circle stays nice and flat. For round 3, let's keep growing. This time, do 3 single crochets into each stitch around. That's 12 sets of 3, and finish with a chain stitch. Look at that, your coaster is getting bigger. Uksher's better. You're doing awesome. Tip: count your stitches after this round to make sure you've got 36. It's an easy way to stay on track. Now, for round 4, let's add some texture. Start with a chain 3, then make 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and work a front post V-stitch. That's a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this pattern around the edge. Awesome work! This round adds a fun detail. For round 5, we're keeping it simple, yet elegant. Work 24 repeats of a single crochet followed by a chain, 5, so single crochet, chain 5 all around. You're so close to finishing the base. Keep going, it's looking fantastic. Tip: count your chains carefully to maintain consistency. Now, for round 6, here's where it gets fun. Repeat this sequence 6 times. 1 single crochet, chain 3, then do 2 single crochets with a chain in between, 3 times, followed by 2 single crochets, chain 3, and another single crochet. Then, finish with a slip stitch, chain 8, knit 4, a single crochet, chain 3, and a slip stitch. You're a rock star for tackling this. It's looking so pretty. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of your repeats. Let's move on to the flower. For round 1, start with 3 chains, then make 5 puff stitches. Do each puff 5 times and join with a slip stitch. Puff stitches add such a cute texture, and you're nailing it. Tip: pull your puff stitches gently to keep them fluffy but not too tight. For round 2 of the flower, repeat this 5 times. Slip stitch, chain 2, 2 single crochets, chain 3, and slip stitch. Look at that adorable flower blooming in your hands. You're incredible. Tip: space your repeats evenly around the circle for a balanced look. And there you have it, your very own crochet coaster with a lovely flower detail. I'm so proud of you for crocheting along with me. These coasters are perfect for your coffee table or as a sweet handmade gift. If you love this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more crochet fun. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to make next. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video.